Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best electric dryers is probably one of the most essential appliances in any modern household, offering unparalleled convenience and efficiency in tackling laundry day. Imagine reclaiming hours spent hanging clothes to dry, especially during harsh winters or humid summers, and instead, enjoying perfectly dried garments ready to be put away or worn. These machines have evolved significantly, moving beyond simple heat-based drying to incorporate advanced sensor technology, steam cycles, and energy-saving features that not only protect your clothes but also your wallet, making them a worthwhile investment for busy individuals and families alike. Number 5. COSTWAY Compact Laundry Dryer. Introducing a compact and portable clothes dryer, perfect for small spaces. Its lightweight design allows for easy placement, whether on the floor, wall-mounted, or on a rack. This electric dryer boasts 850 W of power and a 10 pounds capacity, ensuring your clothes dry quickly. You can enjoy dry clothes even on rainy days. Customize your drying experience with multiple modes. Choose from cool, warm, hot, or air dry settings, with adjustable time lengths to suit different fabrics and load sizes. Enjoy a comfortable environment with its quiet design. The minimal noise won't disrupt your conversations or sleep. Built with a high-quality stainless steel tub, this dryer is designed for long-lasting durability and performance. The control panel is conveniently located for easy access and operation, making laundry day simpler. What we like? This dryer is incredibly compact and lightweight, making it perfect for small apartments or dorm rooms. It offers multiple drying modes, including cool, warm, hot, and air dry, to handle various fabric types and load sizes. If you're looking for a versatile and quiet drying solution for a small living space, this is a great choice. What people say. The dryer has a large capacity, which is great for families. It dries clothes quickly and efficiently, saving time and energy. The steam function helps to reduce wrinkles and refresh clothes. Number 4. COSTWAY 1700W Electric Portable Clothes Dryer. This electric clothes dryer offers a spacious capacity, capable of drying up to 13.2 pounds of clothing. It's equipped with a powerful motor and PTC heating element for stable, low-noise drying. Featuring forward and reverse tumble action, it prevents clothes from tangling and effectively removes wrinkles. This ensures your fabrics remain fluffy and comfortable. This dryer is designed for energy efficiency with an automatic shut-off feature. Enjoy quiet tumbling that won't disrupt your daily routine or sleep. Its compact and lightweight design makes it perfect for apartments or dorm rooms. You can place it on the floor, mount it on a wall, or rack mount it. It includes a 4-layer filter that is easy to clean, ensuring efficient operation. This helps maintain optimal performance and energy savings. What we like? This front-load dryer boasts a generous capacity, capable of handling family-sized loads. Its unique forward and reverse tumble action prevents clothes from tangling and reduces wrinkles effectively. If you have a larger family or simply want to dry more clothes at once with less hassle and energy consumption, this model is ideal. What people say. Its size. One of the largest of portables. The wattage. Allowing for the highest temperature you can get in a 110V portable. Uses a reverse in cycles so that it will untangle your clothing, i.e. long sleeve shirts and the legs of pants. No more knots. Number 3. Portable Clothes Dryer with Remote Control. Introducing our portable clothes dryer, a compact solution for your laundry needs. It's designed for easy use, whether you're at home or on the go. Manage your drying cycles with ease using the included remote control. Start, stop, and adjust settings without even touching the machine. Don't let its size fool you. This dryer boasts a surprisingly large capacity, efficiently handling a good amount of your laundry. Constructed with durable materials, this appliance is made to withstand regular use, ensuring reliability for a long time. Experience a deeper clean with its integrated UV hygiene technology. It helps ensure your clothes are not just dry, but also hygienically treated. Its foldable and portable design makes it ideal for apartments, RVs, and travel. It's easy to store when not in use, saving you valuable space. What we like? This dryer comes with a convenient remote control for easy operation and features UV hygiene technology for a more comfortable experience. Its foldable design makes it exceptionally portable and easy to store. If you travel frequently, live in an RV, or simply appreciate the convenience of remote operation and advanced hygiene features in a compact package, this is the dryer for you. What people say. The foldable design collapses down to the size of a large tote, good for tucking under the bed or in a closet when not in use. It's very convenient for travel. I packed it in the trunk and dried laundry without needing a laundromat. The remote control is handy and the drum is roomy. It dries fast and build quality is solid. I like the UV hygiene tech. My gym socks come out fresh. It dries lightweight clothes in about 45 to 60 minutes. Heavier fabrics take up to 2 hours. It heats up nicely, works well in small areas, very easy to use and assemble. The structure appears to be quite sturdy. Number 2. Midea MLT37N1 BWW Electric Dryer. Dry everything at once with our extra-large drum. It's perfect for large loads like king-size comforters, towels, and linens. Choose from 6 sensor dry cycles, including normal, delicates, and heavy-duty. Plus, select from 6 manual dry options for precise control. Our sensor detects when clothes are dry and automatically stops the cycle. This saves energy and prevents overdrying. Reduce wrinkling with extra tumbling in unheated air at the end of the cycle. Your clothes will come out looking their best. The aluminized alloy coating enhances durability and offers a premium look. It's built to last throughout the life of the machine. The intuitive knob control panel cleans with a quick wipe. Elegant white LED indicators show cycle status at a glance. What we like. With a massive 6.7 cubic feet capacity, this dryer can handle king-size comforters and large loads with ease. The sensor dry feature automatically stops the cycle when clothes are dry, saving energy, and the wrinkle care option keeps clothes looking fresh. If you have a large household and need to dry bulky items or want to ensure your clothes come out with fewer wrinkles and optimal dryness, this is the perfect fit. What people say. The controls are easy to understand and the style of the dryer is sharp. It has a digital beeper that goes off at the end of the cycle, and it's not loud like the dryer alarm I had previously. It works great. It's not as noisy as some of the others we've had in the past. Number 1. GarveeHome Portable Clothes Dryer. Experience powerful drying with our 110V electric portable clothes dryer. It features a large stainless steel tub that can hold up to 8.8 pounds of wet clothes and reaches a maximum temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit for quick and efficient drying. The sensor drying function ensures optimal heat adjustment for all garment types, and it operates so quietly it won't disturb your daily activities. Perfect for small spaces, this front-load dryer is ideal for apartments, RVs, and dorms. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to move and install, and it can even be wall-mounted to save space. Crafted with a durable stainless steel drum, this dryer is built to last. Operating this dryer is simple with its easy-to-use touch knob and clear color bar adjustments. Choose from ECO, normal, or sensor dry modes for optimal results. The multiple filtration system effectively removes lint and hair, and it's easy to clean. Plus, the anti-wrinkle feature leaves your clothes smooth and fresh. This electric dryer is designed to cater to a variety of fabric types with adjustable time settings and modes. Use the cool mode for delicate items, the heat mode for larger loads, or the air dry mode to revitalize your garments without heat. With its lightweight and compact design, this dryer is easy to move and install wherever you need it. Enjoy the flexibility of drying your clothes efficiently, even on rainy days. Its large capacity ensures your clothes will be dry sooner, so you can always wear your favorite outfits. What we like. This compact dryer offers efficient drying performance with a sensor drying function to prevent overdrying and save energy. It's designed to be quiet, ensuring it won't disturb your daily life. If you need a reliable, space-saving dryer for an apartment or dorm that delivers quiet and efficient performance with smart sensor technology, this model is an excellent option. What people say. This dryer works well, can take 1 queen blanket or 1 queen quilt no problem. Dries clothes too nicely. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.